Okay, good afternoon. Shall we proceed for the activity two, which is the Excel clean name. Okay, let's do the clean name. So let's input the email, the full name. Next is the status. After the status, that is the product name. After the product name is the clean name. Okay, after the clean name is email check. Okay, email check, then clean status. Okay, after for the clean status, let's proceed to the cost. Okay. Okay, next is let's do the names. Okay. Um let's input a mga names na mga anonymous name rather. Okay, let's put my name, Steven Francisco. My Francisco. Okay, this is Francisco. Okay, next is Princess Ara. Next is Princess Ara. This Laura. John Hoover. This Laura. And Prince Jaro. This Laura. Okay, let's input the email. Let me clarify. This is an email, not a Gmail. It should be email. Okay? We have JR. Destora at email.com. At email.com. Okay. Here for the status, let's say done. 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 Completed. Let's put completed and cancel. As for the product name, let's do a laptop, mouse, keyboard on laptop. Laptop. Okay. Wait, just a little bit question about this. How to get Excel format is a standardizing the test, fixed capitalization using like join, RBD. Supposed to be I should a correct. Okay, I'm really sorry. Then I will clear for the okay. Okay, this one. So next one is to create a second tab in your and my cells, and I will name the file Pricing. This should be renamed as pricing. Okay, product. We have the laptop, the mouse, and the keyboard. Standard cost. 1,225.75. Okay, let's go back here. So fix E2. Okay, okay, I will correct the name. So the correct name is to be R and it should be have and a shall. And this one for the email, it should be no. May formula pala siya. Is equals to proper Jan trim anak then anak na. Oh, this one. So this is the correct and how to input the names. Just to clarification, dapat sa first pa lang sa full name should kung ano yung nakasulat doon na mismo, ano. So this is naman. As for the handling the missing data, that's the if to. Okay, let's do an email check. Okay, the formula is like this, the IF, then IS blank, B2, missing email. Oh my God, saan ako ng should be right here na missing email, then valid. Okay. Then, before you input like this one, guys, should be apostrophe, no? Okay, then comma, then apostrophe valid. Okay. Okay. So that's one. There's an missing email, which is the number 2, number 3. As for the standard, the clean is small. Isa lang N yung clean. Okay, as for the J2, this my formula din to the clean the status. Okay, IF again, is equals to IF or lower C2 and then is equals to join and lower C2 is equal to complete ba? Complete. Ay, no, hindi siya. Okay. Complete. Cancelled.